Hello. Hello.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. Last section is our Rolle's theorem only, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us continue. Rolle's theorem only. It's very important. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, can you tell me the statement?
Three are there, sir. All
Let
those
f
three,
of
no,
x
sir.
be a function such that f of x is continuous on closed interval a comma b. F of x is differentiable on open interval a comma b. F of a is equal to f of b. Then there exists a point c belongs to a comma b such that f dash of c equal to 0. ये
Yes.
एग्जाम में भी आ सकता खाली स्टेटमेंट ऑफ every time you
2
should be
marks.
perfect. Yes. Now condition number
Yes.
1 we are going to check whether it is continuous or not. Since it is a polynomial, you can see clearly f of x is a polynomial, so continuous. F of x is a polynomial. When we expand, you will get a polynomial. So continuous. So continuous on any interval. Continuous on
Any
interval is here -2, 4.
Yes.
Okay, now let us see the second condition. We are going to check the differentiability. For that purpose,
Yes.
to apply UV rule, first formula, UV rule, f dash of x.
Yes.
First function derivative of second function, that concept. First function will be what?
Yes, sir.
X plus 2 whole to the power of 3. It is the first function.
3.
U as it is. Now differentiating second function with respect to x, it will become like this: 4 into nx power n minus 1 formula. I'm using this. Nx
Yes,
power
sir.
n minus 1. This is 3. Okay, na? 4 minus 1 is 3.
Yes.
Plus x minus 3 whole to the power of 3. We can keep it as it is. Now derivative of whole power 4, na?
Yes, sir.
4. Whole power 4, we can keep it as it is. Now derivative of this becomes again n x power n minus 1 is 2 only. Right now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So exist on -2, 4.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
condition number 1 and 2 both are satisfied. We have to check the condition number 3. That is f of a value. Here a is, this is our a value.
F of a.
F of a -2 plus 2 will become 0 now.
F of a equal.
Yeah, in place of x we put -2. It is 0.
Yes, sir.
Now f of b value is 4. Right now b value
0.
is 4. 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
I'll just check the question. यहाँ पे कुछ गड़बड़ दिख रही मेरे को. Just 1 second. -2, 3. Oh, sorry, my mistake. -2, 3 here. Not 4. It is not 4. It is 3.
Yes, sir.
I'll change it. ठीक है?
First. Yes, sir.
So it is 3. It is also 3
F
here.
of 3.
Yeah, f of 3 here. And then this is 3 here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, which is equal to -3 plus 3 again will become 0. So it is satisfying this third condition also. F of a is equal to f of b. Okay, na?
Yes,
Condition
sir.
number 3 of Rolle's theorem also satisfied here. So we should write our
Yes, sir.
statement here. Therefore, f of x satisfies all conditions of Rolle's theorem. All conditions of Rolle's theorem.
Yes, sir.
equals 0, then
There exists.
there exists a point C belongs to A comma B such
A,
that
B.
f dash of C is equals to 0. Right now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
F dash of C equal to 0.
F dash
So
of C.
from where we can take f dash of C value? You can see here, you can take, say here. Okay, yeah, this is f
Yes,
dash
sir.
of C value. X plus 2 whole power 3, 4 into x minus 3 whole power 3. I'll be writing
C
that.
plus 2
C plus 2
whole power 3.
whole power 3
4
into
into
4 into
x minus
C minus 3 whole power 3. Every x we have to replace with C. C minus 3 whole to the power of 4.
yes, sir.
And here 3
3
times
into
of C
C plus 2
whole power 2. Okay, is equal to 0. What we can take common?
C, sir. C
No.
power 3.
C plus least term we can take common. C plus 2 whole square into C minus 3 whole cube we can take common. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Least term out of both of the terms, the least term. So here
Yes, sir.
one C plus 2 left along with 4. This is C plus 2
Yes.
left. And here also one C minus 3 along with the 3 left. 3 into C
Yes,
minus
sir.
is equal to 0. So C plus 2 whole square into C minus 3 whole power 3 into what happened here? 4C plus 4 to the 8 plus 3C minus 9 is equal to 0. So it is simplifying. We are getting C plus 2
Yes,
plus
sir.
2 whole square into C minus 3 whole to the power of 3 into here we are getting 4 plus 3 7C minus 1 equal to 0. So
Yes,
case
sir.
1 C plus 2 whole square equal to 0. So C value is equal to minus 2 here.
Yes, sir.
C value is equal to plus 3 here. And C is equal to 1 by 7.
Minus.
1 by 7, na?
Yes, sir.
Third case. So out of these three,
Yes.
only one value is existing. Minus 2 and 3 will not exist because interval is itself minus 2 comma 3. So therefore, C is equals to 1 by 7 definitely belongs to the interval minus 2 comma 3. And these two values क्या बोला मैं minus 2 और 3 के बीच में की value exist कर minus 2 will not exist,
Yes.
3 will not exist. Therefore, we can say that Rolle's theorem verified.
Yes, sir.
Rolle's theorem verified.
Sir, in the third case,
Yes. Tell me. बोलिए.
hello, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes. Tell me what happened. Third case, what happened? What happened to third case? Hello.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
बोलिए. What happened to third case?
Third case, we took f of 3, f of a equals to f of b, no, sir?
F of a value is minus 2 now. A value minus 2 now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So minus 2 plus 2 will become 0 now.
Yes, sir.
Then f of b value is 3. Here again minus 3 plus 3 will become 0. Right now?
Yes, sir.
So like
Yes,
that,
sir.
this problem is finished. We are moving to the next question. Again, we have a question number 2. We have so many questions in this concept. It's an important concept.
Yes, sir.
Verify. आपको यूनिट नंबर 1 अभी चल रहा है, अभी कंटिन्यू
नहीं सर, सर नहीं आ रहे 2-3 दिन से।
आई ले जा, एक बड़ा मसला हो। कोई दूसरे भी ऑल्टरनेट नहीं ले रहे हैं इसका?
नहीं सर, नहीं लग, खाली बढ़ रहे हम ना क्लास।
तब फिर वो वेस्ट हो जा रहा पूरा।
जी सर।
सब्स्टिट्यूशन क्या भी नहीं हो रहा।
जी
अल्लाह अकबर।
शुरू से ऐसी चीज है क्या सर?
और जी वो कॉलेज में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, क्लासेस नहीं होते जी वहाँ पे ज्यादा। कॉलेज में क्लासेस नहीं होते वहाँ पे।
आप लोग के पास सर कैसे चल रहा?
हम लोग का ना सेकेंड यूनिट खत्म कर रहा हूँ मैं अभी। हम पास नहीं बिठाते बच्चों को खाली।
सर आप लास्ट टाइम की वीडियो नहीं भेजे सर?
हाँ, जब बैटरी कम थी ना, अभी भेज देता हूँ इंशाल्लाह, आज भेजा देता हूँ।
ओके
आप एक काम करो, नहीं तो कल आप
जी
घर
सर।
पे आ जाओ, थोड़ा सिस्टम में देख ले सकते हैं वीडियोस वगैरह क्या
ओके
है, थोड़े फोल्डर वगैरह सेट कर ले सकते हैं। कल 7 तक आप घर पे आ जाओ, यहीं ले लेता हूँ ऑफलाइन
ओके
क्लास कल आपको।
ओके सर।
So let us see another question. We have to verify Rolle's theorem again. Sin x into root cos 2x will be the question. So here again, f of x will be equal to sin x into root of cos 2x.
यस
We have to check the 3 conditions, right?
यस सर।
Number 1, that function is continuous in any interval. All are trigonometric. Sin x is a trigonometric, cos x is a trigonometric. So we can write f of x is,
कंटिन्यूअस।
yeah, f of x is trigonometric function.
एंड
F
इट
of
इज
x
कंटिन्यूअस।
is trigonometric function. So continuous. अभी फिर अब वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, क्रिसमस के हॉलीडेज भी रहते फिर।
कितने दिन के सर?
क्या है कि 1-2 दिन के देते होंगे, मगर फिर भी क्लासेस तो जाते ना आपके।
यस
मैं आपका मिस हो गया बहुत सारी चीजें कॉलेज में।
जी हाँ सर।
मेरे ख्याल में 2.5 यूनिट नहीं होता आपको सिलेबस।
फिर छोड़ देते सर।
छोड़ देते क्या आप? जो क्वेश्चन उन लोगों ने पढ़ाए उसको एग्जाम में देते। इंटरनल है ना,
जी सर।
इंटरनल है ना, जो पढ़ाए वही एग्जाम में दे देते हैं।
अच्छा अच्छा।
ओके, सी द सेकंड वन।
सर खाली मेरे डिपार्टमेंट में है ऐसा या पूरा वही चीज?
सब जगह वही है, सब जगह इसी से। एनजे में क्या है बोल तो, बच्चे पढ़ लेते बोल के लोगों को एक साइकोलॉजिकल फीलिंग है, अपन नहीं पढ़ाए तो भी क्या लोग पढ़ लेते बोल के। अब पढ़ लेते बच्चे थोड़े दिन,
जी
डर के पढ़ लेते। QV rule we can apply. First function again, sin x,
यस सर।
and second function is root x. What is the derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x.
2x 2 root x
2
यस।
root x cos 2x into inner function is also there. Inner function means derivative of cos 2x is minus 2 sin 2x.
माइनस cos 2x नो सर।
cos 2x का डेरिवेटिव sin 2x, cos का माइनस sin,
-2 कैसा आ रहा सर?
cos 2x, cos x का sin x, cos 2x का।
नहीं सर, साइन से पहले जो 2 आ रहा वो
I'll show you here example. I'll show you the example here. First of all, you can see d by dx of cos x is equal to what? Is
sin
equal to
x
what?
minus
Minus sin x into x coefficient compulsory we have to write. That is 1.
अच्छा
Similarly,
yes
in this same example, if I am writing cos 2x, then what will be? Tell me.
minus sin 2x 2
Minus
into
sin
2
2x into 2. So instead of
Yes,
writing
sir.
2,
Understood.
यहाँ पे लिखने का पहले ही लिख दिया मगर,
Yes,
ठीक
sir.
है?
Yes, sir.
Now let us move on. So plus this one as it is, root of cos 2x as it is, and then derivative of sin x will be cos x.
Cos x.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Clear,
sir.
na? These two,
Yes, sir.
these two will be cancelled.
Cancel.
Okay. Then what you will do here is you can just
Common.
multiply. Yeah, common की जरूरत नहीं. Just here only we stop. F dash of x is equal to f dash of x exist बोल के लिख देंगे, बाद में करेंगे उसको solve.
Yes.
Exist. वालेकुम सलाम. On 0, 5/4.
Yes, sir.
So we have to check the condition number 3. F of a value
F of a equals 0.
0. So sin 0 is 0. So answer is 0. F of
Yes,
b.
sir. Cos pi by 4.
This is equal to sin pi by 4.
Zero.
Sin pi by 4. Both of the value we have to substitute, right?
Yes, sir.
Into root of
Cos 2 into pi by 4. 2
cos
pi by 4.
2 pi by 4.
Yes.
2
sir.
pi by 4. Okay, 2 into pi by 4. This is 2 ones are. This is 2 twos are cancelled. What is left here? Sin pi by 4.
Sin pi by 4. 1 by 2.
Into cos. How much here left? Root of cos
Cos 1 by 2.
pi by 2.
Pi by 2, yes.
But I want to say the answer is 0. Why? Why the answer is 0?
Sin pi by 4.
No.
नहीं. Cos
It's a right angle.
Cos
It's a
pi by
right
2.
angle. Right angle. Cos pi by 2. Right angle. 90 degrees. 0. Okay, na?
Root 0.
Root 0 no. Cos
Yes.
pi by 2 is 0. 0 into anything is 0.
Yes, sir. 0.
Okay. So condition number 3 also satisfied.
Satisfied.
F of 0 is equals to f of pi by 4. Condition number 3 of Rolle's
सर ये
theorem satisfied.
कैलकुलेटर में पाई मतलब cos pi by 4 वो एक देख सकते हैं.
देख सकते हैं. कैलकुलेटर को डिग्री में कन्वर्ट करके, नहीं तो रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करके देख.
अच्छा 2.
कल ले लेके आओ, मैं बताता हूँ.
ओके.
कल लेके आओ, कैलकुलेटर ऑपरेट करने का बताता हूँ. जो डाउट है कैलकुलेटर से करने का ले लेके आओ, कल बताता हूँ इंशाल्लाह. f of x satisfies
All 3 conditions.
all conditions of of Rolle's theorem.
Yes, sir. हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी. अच्छी बात. वेडनेसडे 1 सेकंड सर.
जी.
ठीक है. ओटीपी की जरूरत नहीं. ठीक है जी. ठीक है. थैंक यू. हाँ ठीक. ओके अल्लाह. सॉरी. Yes, sir.
So there exists a point C belongs to A comma B such that A value is 0, B value is pi by 4,
Pi by 4, yes.
such that f dash of C is equal to 0.
Yes. F dash of C.
So f dash of C value you can take from here only. This is our f dash of C value. Yeah,
Yes,
this
sir.
one. Yeah. In place of x, we have to replace with C.
C.
So sin C by root cos 2C into sin 2C, that I will be writing here. You can see
Yes, sir.
minus sin C into sine 2c by root cos 2c and plus here what is left here, cos c into root of cos 2c.
Yes, sir.
Nothing
Now we
is there.
can.
Yes, we have to simplify that.
Yes, sir.
LCM is, what is the LCM?
Cos 2c
Root of cos 2c will be the LCM.
minus
here-
sin c sin 2c
Minus sin c
sin
sin
2c
2c
plus 2 cos
plus cos
Nine,
c.
plus
Cos
cos
c.
c
Square and root cancel. Cos 2c
cos 2c.
is equal to 0.
Yes. Yes.
And then this one cross multiply becomes 0. Write in order. Cos c plus cos 2c minus sin c
sin 2c.
sin 2c equal to 0. Which form is this? Cos a cos b minus sin a
Cos
sin
b.
b.
Yes.
Cos of a plus b expansion. C plus 2c equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Cos c plus 2c is 3c is equal to 0 means अभी देखें अपन right angle pi by 2. Cos and
3c
cos
equal to
cancel.
5
Then c is equal to pi by 3 to the
pi by
6 definitely belongs
6.
to the interval 0 comma pi by 4.
0
Pi by 6
5 4.
30 degree.
Yes.
30 degree definitely
Yes.
belongs to 0 to 45. Hence Rolle's theorem verified.
Verified. Yes.
Rolle's theorem verified.
Verified.
कितने हुए अभी तक?
4 हुए सर.
4 हुए.
Yes.
Okay, let us see. एक और देख लीजिए.
Okay.
और एक देख लीजिए.
वो इंटरनल एग्जाम के मार्क्स फिर फाइनल में ऐड वही होते हैं सर.
हाँ होते हैं, वो ऐड होते हैं. Verify. Verify Rolle's theorem. Verify Rolle's theorem. For अब्दुल्ला का क्लास से बेटा डिस्टर्ब होता है. अब्दुल्ला की क्लास से बोला मैं. x into x plus 3 e to the power of minus x by. अब्दुल्ला बाहर सोफे पे चले जाओ. अब्दुल्ला बाहर सोफे पे चले जाओ. minus 3 comma 0 will be the interval.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let us do it this question. Solution. Here f of x is a polynomial again.
Yes,
F
sir.
of x is equal to x into x plus 3. If you want, we can either write it as x square plus 3x also into e to the power of minus x by 2.
Yes, sir.
So number one, condition number one, f of x is continuous. F of x is continuous on close interval minus 3 comma 0 because it is a polynomial. आप चाहे तो उसका reason भी लिख सकते हैं since it is a polynomial. Now second
Yes.
condition, f dash of x. We have to apply UV rule again. First
Yes,
function
sir.
x square plus 3x as it is. Now the derivative of e to the power of minus x by 2 is what? E to the power of minus x by 2 and x coefficient is minus 1 by 2.
Yes.
Right?
Sir. Yes. Sir.
Plus e power minus x by 2 must be as it is. E power minus x by 2 as it is. And the derivative of x square is 2x plus 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So first we should simplify. You can either simplify here only or last में भी simplify कर सकते हैं. Choice is yours. So we'll simplify later on. So
Yes. F of A, F of B.
f dash of x exist. F dash of x
Okay.
exist
Yes. Sir.
on minus 3 comma 0. Open interval minus 3 comma 0. That condition we have to check. F
F
of
of
a
minus
value,
3.
f of minus 3. Look at the question, substitute minus 3 in the question itself. The answer will be 0.
Yes, sir. 0.
F of 0 will be again 0.
F of 0 also 0.
F of minus 3 is equal to f of 0. The condition number 3 satisfied here. Okay.
Yes.
So one condition, two condition, three conditions all are satisfied. So we have to say that therefore
All conditions.
f of x satisfies. F of x satisfies
Yes.
all conditions of
All conditions. Rules.
all conditions of Rolle's theorem. ये कंपलसरी आपको स्टेटमेंट लिखना है, otherwise you will not get the full 5 marks. Then there exists a point.
ऐसे क्यों में आता सर ये?
5 marks. Long answer is 5 marks का है.
अच्छा.
C belongs to minus 3 comma 0 such that f dash of C is equal to 0.
Yes.
F dash of C means you can see the numerator यहाँ पे है देखिए C square plus 3C
Yes.
into e to the power of minus C by 2 into 1 by 2.
Minus 1 by 2.
Yeah, minus 1 by 2 plus e power minus C by 2 C plus 3
Yes.
is equal to 0.
0. Yes, sir.
Take e power minus C by 2 as a common term. Take it out, pull it out.
Yes, sir.
So when we are taking e to the power of minus C by 2, pulled it out. So here we are left with minus 1 by 2 into like that C square plus 3C.
3C.
And e power minus 1 by 2 out means it is becomes 2C plus 3 here.
Yes, sir.
Now taking the LCM, assuming that here 1 and we'll be taking the LCM equal to 0. Of course, this value
Yes.
will go that side become 0. And here 2 will be the LCM. Minus C square minus 3C because we are multiplying with the minus sign also. Plus
Yes,
2C plus 2 no, it's a 4 hota na, 2 to the
4.
LCM take we are taking no, it's a 4.
4C.
4C plus 3 to the 6
6.
is equal to 0. Again cross multiply. It is become
0.
4C minus C is how much? How much? कितना हो गया? Minus C
C.
square minus C
C.
plus 6 equal to 0.
Plus C, no, sir.
Oh yeah, plus C. Though multiplying with minus sign and become a second degree perfect equation.
Yes, sir.
We can take out the factors easily. That factors are
Yes.
minus 3C plus 2C minus 6 equal to
Yes,
0.
sir.
We can take it out C
Common.
common. C minus 3 left. We can take it out 2 common. Once again C minus
C.
3 left is equal to
Yes.
0. So what is the
C
repeated
plus
term
2,
here?
C minus 3.
Yeah, out of these two, at least one value or both values should exist. C is equal to 3 is the one value.
3. C equals to minus 2.
C is equal to minus 2. What is
Yes.
our interval? -3, 0, no?
Yes,
Minus
exist.
3, 0. Which one exists? Not 2. Any one should exist. C is equal to -2 only exist. Belongs to the interval
Yes.
-3, 0. At least one value should exist. This
अच्छा,
value will not exist.
yes.
-3, 0 कहाँ से आता? कि आउट ऑफ इंटरवल हो जाता ना,
Yes, sir.
है ना? Hence
अच्छा, +3 है उधर. Yes.
Rolle's theorem verified.
Yes.
Rolle's theorem verified. तो कल आप इधर आइए, मैं आपको
Yes.
लेग्रांजेस मीन वैल्यू थ्योरम का प्रूफ करा देता हूँ इंशाल्लाह.
सर एक बार कल एग्जाम का पैटर्न
कंफर्म
भी
करके
बता
आओ.
दीजिए.
आप कंफर्म करके आओ, मैं आ रहा हूँ बोल के मैसेज करके आओ. पैटर्न
Okay.
कौन सा बोल रहे हैं आप? इंटरनल का?
नहीं सर, फाइनल सेमेस्टर.
हाँ, फाइनल को तो अभी बहुत टाइम है. इंटरनल का भी बोल तो भी बता सकता हूँ.
हाँ हाँ, ओके सर, दोनों भी बता दी. यहाँ नहीं बताया सर कॉलेज में, इसलिए.
ठीक है, अच्छी बात, बताएंगे इंशाल्लाह.
ओके सर.
ठीक है, ये हो गया
ओके
आपका
सर.
कंप्लीटेड.
यस.
बोले, कुछ बोल रहे हैं?
इससे पहले की भी रिकॉर्डिंग भेज दी.
और रिकॉर्डिंग का एक काम करो, आप आके कर लो ना भाई.
अच्छा, ओके सर.
ये तो शायद मेरे को
ओके
अभी
सर.
मिल जाएंगे ये रिकॉर्डिंग तो.
ओके
नेक्स्ट
सर.
पुरानी रिकॉर्डिंग कहाँ चले गई? वो आप ढूंढ लो उसमें से आके. अब तो ये तो मैं कर देता हूँ.
ओके सर.
हम्म.
थैंक यू सर. अल्लाह हाफिज़.